Welcome everyone. In order to see the Wi-Fi password in Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all, let's start by opening up our settings. Then we're going to look for the connections option. It should be near the top. Then you're going to go into the Wi-Fi. And what you're going to see is the triple dots at the top right. And so we're going to select this one. Then you're going to see the advanced settings option. Inside of this one, you're going to notice the manage networks. And so we're going to tap on manage networks here. You're going to see all of the Wi-Fi that you have connected to in the past. And what you can do is you can tap on the network name in question. And then you're going to see the password showing up right here. And so you just need to tap the eye icon, like the eyes, tap on this one, and then log into your phone, and you can see the password has been revealed. So you can see the password right here, and if you long press this one, you can copy it to the clipboard. Now real quick, YouTube don't promote my videos like they used to. So if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below, and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful, thank you. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye bye.